What's up, y'all? It's your girl Monae, and today we'll be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. I know I usually link my old eyebrow tutorials, so this is to show you guys how I do it now, since I don't do it the same. So here you go. Okay, so you start by brushing out those brows with a spoolie brush. And so basically you just go and you start outlining your eyebrows and filling them in to whatever shape you want. It doesn't matter if you mess up at all, just fill them in and do your thing. It's okay. And make sure that you do not overfill, don't make them too dark. Just fill them in. It's nothing more than that. And so make sure that you draw them the same length. And if you make them too long or one longer than the other one, that's okay, because we're going to fix all of that up with concealer. It's okay. Just make sure you don't make them too short though. And so after that, just brush them out again, and then we'll go in with our concealer. And the concealer that we'll be using today is LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. And so with this, you just go under your brow, make a clean line, okay? This is where you fix any mistakes that you made with the liner. And this is basically like you're carving out your perfect brow, okay? And so you also put a little bit in the front because you're gonna blend it out, okay? And that's how you get like a smooth transition, like it doesn't look all bold and hard in the front of your eyebrows. So I blend it out with the tiny beauty blender. I put the tip of it right above my eyebrow. As soon as the concealer starts, I put it there and I drag it all the way down, and then I blend it out. And at the bottom, I just put the tip right beneath my eyebrow and I pull down. I just keep doing that. I wasn't really trying to fully blend it because I was about to do a full face. But if you're only trying to do your eyebrows and then just head out, just fully blend, and that'll be okay. So this is the final look. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.